Hello techies, we are in lab 6.5.11 and we're going to create user account. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You recently added an Active Directory domain to the CompTIA server to manage network resources centrally. You now need to add user accounts in the domain. So in this lab, your task is to create the following user account on CompTIA. So we have the table chart for that, and we're going to use the following user account naming standard and specification as you create each account. You're going to create a user account in the departmental OU corresponding to the employee's job role, and the user account name, first name plus last name. So let's just start up lab. So in case you find this video to be too fast, I apologize for that. You can always pause the video occasionally and work at your own pace. Alright, so we are now so we select COP server and COP DC. Alright, so we'll go to tools and then we'll select Active Directory users and computers. Let's maximize this so that it's clearer for you all. Alright, so let's maximize this. Let's maximize marketing. And we'll go to marketing and new and user. So for the new user, we're going to create Joan Suarez. So we just copy and paste because of time, but you can always type it in if you choose to. I just felt copy and pasting it is a bit faster and easier. So copy and paste this here also. And the logon name is provided also. So the logon name is going to be J Suarez. And the password is provided also. So we just copy and paste the password in here. So click next, click finish. So click PAM sales, new, and new user. Sure, Suzanne, copy and paste this here. Smith. Login name is going to be SS Smith. Then next, and the password is provided also, so we just copy and paste the password in here. Paste, and then we copy and paste it here also. So confirm, then we click next, finish. So we are creating for Mark Bonds also. So we new, then we'll scroll down to users. The first name, and the last name Bonds. So first initial plus last name. And then you click next. And then the password is provided also. So we just copy and paste. So we click finish and remaining one. So we go to temp sales, we go to new, scroll down to users and select users. All right, so it's gonna be Bori, and the last name is gonna be Chan. So it's gonna be B Chan, first initial plus last name, and we click next, and the password is provided also, so we just copy and paste. Click next. So we go to account and logon hours. Let's see, logon denied. So let's see, so Monday, it's 8 to 5. So Monday to Friday, 8 to 5. Logon denied. Okay, logon permitted for this period. Click OK. And end of the account is going to expire. Let's see, it's going to expire December 2024. So click OK. So go ahead and score lab. So in case you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment your questions below if you have any. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.